Snack time! Today we are making snacks from scratch. These are easy, they are so delicious, and they're nutritious. What more could you ask for? So let's jump right in. Today we are making cheesy pumpkin seed crackers, my favorite tahini cookies. Like if you haven't had these, get ready. And we're making salty, umami, delicious Tamari almonds. These are so easy to make, you're gonna ask yourself, why have I not done this before? This video is sponsored by Thrive Market. I bought a lot of my vegan snacks and groceries from their site because sometimes I don't feel like making my own snacks from scratch. So I buy them from Thrive Market. For our first recipe, we are making these cheesy pumpkin seed crackers. The main ingredients are pumpkin seeds, spelt flour, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, salt, and oil. First, blend the pumpkin seeds in the food processor to make a seed flour. Next, add the spelt flour, garlic powder, salt, baking powder, and nutritional yeast, and blend to combine. Now you can add the oil and blend that until the batter looks like wet sand. Pour in 3 tablespoons of cold water and pulse a few times until it clumps. Remove the dough from the food processor and form it into a tight ball. Place that dough ball on a sheet of parchment paper and top with another sheet of parchment. Use a rolling pin to roll it flat, about 1/8 of an inch thin. Carefully remove the top sheet of the parchment and then use a pizza cutter to cut the dough into 1-inch squares, or any shape that you'd like. Gently place the crackers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, keeping at least 1/4 of an inch in between each cracker. Poke holes with a fork and finish them off with a little Maldon salt. Press the salt in gently so it will stick. Bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees until crispy, lightly browned, and fragrant. These are so good. I don't want to stop eating them, but I do need to save them for later and save some for baby Jay. But keep in mind that you can always double the recipe to make more. I understand sometimes you do not feel like making your own snacks from scratch at home. I get it. So make sure that you stock your pantry with healthy store-bought snacks like pretzels. I like these mixed veggie chips. Ooh, you know what I really love? These Deliciously Ella oat bars. This is the variety pack. I got it from Thrive Market. All this stuff is from Thrive Market. Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store. They have guaranteed savings on every order, and they even price match. I like using Thrive Market because I can order my favorite vegan snacks and groceries and they are delivered right to my door, meaning I can spend more time with my family, with baby Jay, and also doing the things that I love, like making these videos and my blog for you guys. Thrive Market's mission is to make healthy eating accessible to everyone. So for every paid annual membership, Thrive Market donates an annual membership to someone in need. And in February 2024, Thrive Market became the first online-only grocery store to accept SNAP EBT. The Thrive Market membership is $12 a month when you pay it monthly. However, it breaks down to just $5 a month when you pay annually, which is $59.95. You will make back your $60 annual membership in savings. And if you don't, Thrive Market will credit you the difference. Click my link down in the description box or visit thrivemarket.com/sweetpotatosoul to get 30% off your first order of Thrive Market and a free gift worth up to $60 in value when you join Thrive Market today. Now we're gonna make one of my favorite recipes of all time, these tahini oatmeal cookies. For the main ingredients, we are using tahini, quick cook oats, sweet potato, and pecans. Start by chopping the nuts. And after you've done that, you can shred a sweet potato. You will need 2 tablespoons of shredded sweet potato. Now combine the oats, nuts, salt, cinnamon, and chocolate chips in a bowl and mix. Add the tahini, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and sweet potato and mix again. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Take a scoop of the cookie dough and with damp hands, form it into a ball. Place it on the parchment paper and then use your damp hand to flatten the cookies. Bake for 13 to 15 minutes until fragrant and slightly golden. The cookies will still be soft when they're finished baking, but let them cool and firm for at least 5 minutes before removing from the tray. And now for a very simple 3-ingredient recipe, Tamari almonds. This recipe is so easy to make. We're using almonds, tamari, and toasted sesame seed oil. Roast the almonds at 300 degrees for 20 minutes, stirring halfway through. Then remove the hot almonds from the oven and carefully transfer them to a mixing bowl. But be careful, don't burn your fingers. Pour 2 tablespoons of the tamari onto the almonds and stir. I love to hear it sizzle. Now add the sesame seed oil and stir again. Transfer the wet almonds back onto the baking sheet and place them back into the oven. Reduce the heat to 200 degrees and let them dry for another 10 minutes. Give them a few minutes to cool before enjoying. Now that these almonds are nice and cool, let's give them a try. Umami, salty, crunchy. So good. Perfect snack. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I know you're going to love all these recipes. The recipes for all these delicious snacks are on my blog, sweetpotatosoul.com, and they are linked in the description box down below. Make sure to check out the blog because it got a facelift, much needed, just recently. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. It is so much prettier. It is so much easier to navigate now and find all the recipes that you might be looking for, and also plenty of inspiration. Let me know what you think. In the description box down below, you'll also find my link to Thrive Market, where you can tap that link and save 30% off your first order of Thrive Market and get a free gift worth up to $60. So check it out. Let me know, guys, what you are snacking on, and I'm gonna eat this cookie and relax. See you guys next time. Bye. So good.